As a Muslim, what is our duty? Is it our duty to eat, drink, and sleep? Is it our duty to have luxuries, BMW, and a lot of vehicles? Is it our duty to do whatever we want to? Is it our duty? Is it our objective of life to do without thinking, to do what we want to do without caring the people who are seeing towards us with hopeful lies? I think the main objective of your life is to help anyone, is to help the people who are needy and poor, the people who are deserving, the people who are seeing towards you with hopeful lies, the people who are seeing towards your pocket, the people who are waiting for your luxury, who are waiting for your sympathy, your empathy. Go out and recognize the people. It's not a life you earn money and get a lot. It's not a life. Go out and find the people who are seeing towards you. Find the people who are seeking for help. Make them able and capable. They would be able to survive in this world. Allah Almighty has given you, provided you, bestowed you a lot. Pray to Allah Almighty, who has made you giver, not taker. Pray to Allah Almighty. So then, go out in the society and be the part of society as a social person. Be kind to everyone. Keep in mind, a man of characteristic is the diamond of society. A man of high supreme characteristic, supreme qualities is always the person of is always the diamond person of a diamond society. Make yourself valuable for the society. The people who are uneducated, make them educated. This is your kindness. The people who are in unfavorable situation, help them and support them to convert their days, to transform their days. Be kind to everyone. Be kind to the people who are seeking, who are finding you, who are tracing your values. Your values will help themselves, who will help them to be able to face the challenges. Go and encourage them. Go and make them able and capable. Go. This is the thing. Be kind to each other if you want to be heart winner. This is the main line I want to suggest. I want to state. Be kind to each and every person if you want to be heart winner. A lot of winners are here. A lot of toppers are here in examinations and are ranked and getting job. But with so few people are there who are top and kind. One thing I want to suggest, in Pakistan, each and every field is being filled with ranks and jobs. There's a huge competition, but the seats are not wide, the seats are not vacant. There's a one field is there. What is that? The field of humanity. The field of humanity, in which there is no scope. There is a lot of scope, but there is no competition. There a lot of seats are there. Lots of seats are there, but candidates are so few. Make yourself the candidate of humanity. That is the major post of this world. As a Muslim, I think, make yourself that. Be kind to each and everyone. Don't be like a statue. Don't believe like a statue. Move yourself. Be flexible. Help the poor. Help the needy. Help the people who are seeing towards you with hopeful eyes. Support the people who deserve. Support the people who have daughters, but they have not work. Support the people who are financially weak and frail. Go and support the people who are in unfavorable conditions. Go. This is the thing that matters a lot. That will let you know, and that will make you realize you are going on the right track. You are going on Sirat Mustaqim. This is the life. When you are doing for something, when you are doing something for you, it is doing for you yourself. Everyone is doing like, everyone is being lived like, but this is, I think this is not the objective, to live for self. To live for others, it is the objective of life. It is called life when you live for others, when you do for others. We never say that I'm doing this for that man. We never say I'm paying this for that man. We never say. We never say I'm purchasing this thing for that poor man. We never say I'm purchasing this thing for that person. Now come to your home. Respect the members. Respect your family members, and parents are on top. Your mother and your father, both are your hell and heaven. Now it's your choice. You want to be in hell or you want to be in heaven. How you can be? They are your hell as well as heaven. Parents are your hell as well as heaven. How you will get heaven? By getting their blessings. By praying, by getting prayers of your parents. Not get prayers by saying them, but by serving them. Serve them, and they will give you, they will have prayers to Allah Almighty, and Allah Almighty will bless you a lot. And then you will be the person of heart winner. The person who would be called heart winner. This is the thing that matters a lot in this life. We can live and we will live. We are surviving. We eat, we sleep, we drink a lot. And one day we will die. We pass away. But that time countings are there. That time there's a mathematics. There's a math. That time your each and every moment will be collected. Your each and every moment will be recalled. You will have to be investigated. This is the time, I think this is the best time to investigate yourself, to research yourself, whatever you are doing, however you are doing. Are you doing for the society? Are you doing for the persons? Have you the comparison between halal and haram? Have you the comparison between right and wrong? It matters a lot. Be kind to everyone if you want to be heart winner.